Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop. And remember the fabric top guitar I was working on? Not that one, but the second one. Well, I've been staring at it on the bench while I've been working on the Deacon here, and it's just been calling to me. So started sanding it down to get all that sparkle purple and black off the body. Here's the headstock. Still got a ways to go, but we're going to be working on this in my downtime. Haven't been doing too much lately. Had to work on my truck. Had things to do over at the in-laws' house. But we are getting back to the Deacon, and I'm going to set the body aside for a while. I've got that pretty much all set. All I need to do is route the control cavities, and it'll be ready to go. But what we need to do now is build a neck. So sit tight, and we'll get to it. Okay, so we have our neck. This is an old screwed up neck from a Deacon, and I'm going to use this to make the headstock template so I can get this shape down right. I'm going to use this as the template for everything except the headstock. This is a template I made from some Les Paul drawings. And the scale length is the same. I'm just gonna have to trim the back off. It's fairly close. I'm just gonna have to trim a little bit off the back so the fretboard can have its overhang. My main concern with this is getting this done. Thinking about a way to route that so I could get the same angle as Ovation uses on theirs, but I think I might end up having to just cut out the shape and go at this by hand. We'll see what I come up with. Anyway, but right now I gotta make a headstock template. So I'm gonna draw it out on paper and then lay it out on this polycarbonate. Take the stickers off, of course, and then we're ready to make the neck. The neck is going to be sapele, and it's going to have 2 stripes of maple and then another stripe of sapele between those. So it's going to be sapele, maple, sapele, maple, sapele. I'm going to try to mimic Ovation's style of multi-laminate necks with very thin stripes of the maple in it. And then we'll do an overlay on the headstock so we don't see that through here. Probably you're definitely going to see it through here, but not right here. So let's make the headstock template. I'm going to set the center line on the headstock template. I've got a laser level here. I'm going to shine this right down the center line on my original template. And we'll place this here. Looks pretty good. Here's our center line. All right, that's almost done. You can see I drew a couple of lines here to make sure that the holes for the tuners were all lined up and they're good. What's left to do now is take a razor blade and scribe the center line and this contour line up here. Take a punch and mark where the tuners are going to go, and then pull the paper template off. Take some sandpaper, go around the entire perimeter of the template, make sure everything is nice and straight and square. You know, it's hard to sand a straight line with a spindle sander. You get waves in it, so we're going to take care of that. That's going to do it for this one. When we come back next time, we'll be cutting up the wood for the neck and gluing them all together. So until next time, you guys behave yourself. Peace.